Good morning, students. Today we are going to set our focus on the topic Community Helpers, Chapter 6, starting on page number 37 of your textbook, Excursions 3, and is being submitted to you on 9th August 2021. All the students may kindly open page number 37 of your textbook and be ready with your social studies notebooks for writing the questions which will be asked during the short breaks. So, dear students, kindly pay attention as I am going to explain the topic. Community helpers. First of all, we will discuss what is community. People who live together in the same neighborhood form a community. They take up different occupations and give us various services. Now we will discuss what is occupation. Any work that is done by a person to earn money is called occupation. Community helpers. People who help us in our day-to-day work are called community helpers, such as teachers, doctors, postmen, plumbers, policemen, farmers, etc. In our society, community helpers play a major role. We should be polite and friendly to our community helpers. We must show respect to them. Let us know more about the community helpers. First is soldiers. A person who serves in an army is called a soldier. They protect us from our enemies. They sacrifice their life to keep the people of the country safe and secure. We all should be proud of our soldiers. Second is farmers. The role of farmers in our society is very important. They work in fields to grow crops like fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, cereals, etc. for us. We need food to survive. The life of a farmer is very tough as they work hard day and night in all seasons. Third one is a teacher. The person who gives us education is a teacher. We learn reading, writing, singing, dancing, painting, and even physical exercises with the help of a teacher. Teachers help us to develop good habits. We celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day every year to show our love and respect to our teachers. Fourth one is a doctor. The person who treats sick people is called a doctor. The doctor looks after our health and gives us medicine whenever we are sick. We must never take medicines without consulting a doctor. Fifth is a police officer. The people who protect our life and property are called policemen or policewomen. A police officer maintains law and order in an area. The police may arrest anyone who breaks the law. We can call police by dialing 100 whenever there is a need. Sixth one is a firefighter. A firefighter is a person who puts out fires. Firemen work at fire stations. If there is a fire in our house, we call the fire brigade. The fire brigade puts out the fire. To call the fire brigade, we have to dial 101. Seventh is a greengrocer. A greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. They help the community by making sure that fresh fruits and vegetables are available daily. Eighth is a carpenter. A carpenter makes furniture for us as well as wooden items like doors and windows for our homes and buildings. Ninth is an electrician. An electrician fixes fans and lights or repairs electrical wires in our house. He helps the community by lighting up our homes and buildings. There are some other helpers who are also very helpful to us. They also live in our neighborhood. For example, cobbler who stitches and repairs our shoes. The cleaner sweeps and cleans our streets. The plumber repairs our taps, and the mechanic repairs cars and bikes. They are all very useful for our community. We should respect them and be thankful for their services. Thank you.